How to turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. So first thing, just open up your Facebook application, and once you're inside here, just tap on your profile section or profile icon, and once you're inside here, select this edit profile button and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is edit your about info. So select it, and once you're inside here, finally head over to your birthday section under the basic info. As you can see, I've located it over here, and now all you have to do is just tap on this pin button over here or pencil button and simply tap on this friends of friends. So you can basically edit your privacy settings. So instead of setting it to friends of friends, just tap on this only me and click on done, and again do the same for yours as well. So now just tap on this save, and once you do that, as you can see, now it's only is visible to me. That means my birthday is only visible to me and it's not visible to anyone, not even my friends. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. The video was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.